Hi everyone, so today I'll do a review of Rebel case, and in fact I will do a review just because I already have this one for about a year. So there's gonna be my huge opinion, I believe, and that I order another one. Might be some directions for you which case I think is the best. But let's start this video with intro. So I'll start with unboxing. And also package is so much different than the first one that I got that I'm actually kinda surprised. So let's start here, and here's the box. And also, which is funny, sticker? I mean, nice, first time I get sticker with this case, which is actually amazing. It's like Apple product, I believe. And also packaging for this case is even more Apple-y than Apple can do, which is funny to me. I don't understand how Apple is not selling this case in Apple Store. Maybe the only reason is because this case is from the guy that do so much leaks about Apple, so maybe that's the thing. Alright, this is a case that I ordered, and this is Rebel case, the one that they are the most proud of, I believe. Here's the back, and also maybe I'll go like this, and now you can see a little bit better the case, how it's looking like. And also right now I will compare maybe all the three cases that I got. So this is the one for the Rebel case, this is the frosted one, and this is case for actually iPhone 12, and this is clear one, yes. So those are three cases, and they look like this. This is the most fancy, but from the back I don't really like how it's looking. Maybe on camera actually it's looking great, and the front is incredible. But yeah, those are the two regular packagings, and also this was $30 when I was buying, because it was literally first day they went on sale. And this is 20 bucks? Yeah, I paid 20 bucks for it on sale. Right now it's $15 probably for a regular one, which is crazy value. Like really, 20 bucks for this case is just funny to me. But yeah, let's open and see also the magnets and how it is inside of the case, because I'm actually pretty curious how it's gonna be inside, of course, how it's gonna be inside. Wow, this material, comparing to iPhone case that I have here, leather one, I would say this one is a little bit more soft. Yeah, on Rebel case it's a little bit more soft, but both are like the same, I would say, except this, yeah, a little bit softer. You can see maybe right now it's looking like this. Okay, and this is leather case, red one for Apple iPhone, yeah. And also here is the other material that they use, carbon fiber. So this is the whole case. You can see also top and bottom. Okay, so inside is also something like this, and there is screen protector, something that will help us to put the screen protector on. And this thing that I hate so much that you guys will not even believe, but I will also explain why I hate those shiny things so much. The thing that I were talking about were those stickers, and because there are exposed sides in those cases, they gave us those transparent stickers to protect those sides. And you can see here this separation. There is a little bit more white and dark here, and everywhere where was the sticker you can see it's a little bit more white than here. So it's not very nice looking if I would want to sell this phone. You just saw how this case is looking like up close, and here is also on my phone. It's very nice and gorgeous, I need to say, but I think I still prefer this frosted version a bit more. But surely this is so much more premium when I'm looking at and also holding. And now I need to say this is the best case I ever held in my hand. If talking about like really holding, let's say go for a run or anything, this is just the best case. And now I will explain why I think this way. First, of course, sides that are exposed. So really, when you're holding phone, you don't feel like thickness of case that is on your phone. You feel your phone. So when you're going for a run, phone is actually not that big when you're holding, especially like doing this way. Then you're literally holding just your phone. So this is first thing. Here, if you're holding your phone like this, it's really well made. So your finger, your tiny finger, is actually not scratching against this case. Another thing that is very good about this case is this part here, and there's another. So first, when you're swiping, you actually don't feel anything. You feel just like swiping your screen. And here, when you're talking with somebody, you like not hitting anything because there's like literally flash. And another thing is those sides that are a little bit more up, you can see, and they're actually protecting when phone is falling like this, front, back, and it's working very well. I need to say, there were times when, let's say, I gave my phone to sister, she were talking, and boom, phone fell. Actually nothing happened, and there were so many times that this phone fell on the floor or whatever from whichever height, and it survived still. So I need to say this case is incredible. But like really, just about the look, this is for me the best looking case ever, and especially this case. You can see literally the back, the beautiful color purple of my phone, and it's like really nice. So I get so much people that were asking about this case, and when I told them about it, like there's about like 7 people right now that have this case that I have, because it's looking so good, and people are asking like what phone do I have or something like this, and they're like, oh, 11, really? And yeah, and conversation is starting because this case is so well made. But I can't really say this about case for iPhone 12. The sides are protected. If you're into this, then yeah, it's nice that they are protected, but also case is not looking that good because of this. Also, there are like few things that they did really different. Yeah, I mean, I'm very happy that they actually did case for iPhone 12 because it took so long for it to come out. But yeah, there's like, here is space in iPhone 12, here and here there's like huge, and in iPhone 12 it's like little bit, so it's like going a little bit up, so you can see, let's say, green frame of your iPhone, and it's like not everything perfect, but this one is just incredibly perfect, and I love this case. So yeah, this is a review of it, and I hope you enjoyed it. And also about those magnets, I can't really test them, and I was expecting maybe it's possible to like put my phone on the fridge, like smack it, and no, it's not working like that. So I can't really record anything like putting to something that is metal and it will stay. No, it will not. You need really special attachment, like actually car maybe mount or something, then it might work. It might. I'm not really sure. There's one thing that maybe someone is interested when buying this case. No, it's not stuck into the fridge. Okay, that's it. Bye, see you in another video, and it's gonna be about skateboard and actually those humongous wheels. So yeah, see you.